Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be back today.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. I had a nice morning. I have my tea. I am ready.
Oh, you and your tea.
And you have your coffee, I see.
Yes, a big coffee. I am very happy today. I am excited
Oh, excited? Why are you excited, Emily?
because today we are talking about a very fun place.
A fun place? The park?
No, not the park. It is a place inside. It is very big.
Inside and big.
And it has many, many shops.
Ah, I know. A shopping mall.
Yes, exactly. We are going to talk about the shopping mall.
That is a great topic. I like the mall. It's a good place to go on the weekend.
Me too. We can learn a lot of English words for the mall.
Perfect. I am ready to learn.
Me too. But wait, Paul. Before we start our trip to the mall,
Our English trip.
yes, we should ask everyone listening.
Oh, yes. Everyone, welcome. We are so happy you are here.
Yes, and please, if you like our podcast, click the like button.
A big thumbs up. It really helps us.
And please subscribe. You will see all our new videos.
And share this podcast with a friend. If your friend is learning English, maybe they will like our chat.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. So, Paul, the mall.
The shopping mall. Yes, it is a big building.
It is. And what is inside the mall?
Shops. Many, many shops.
Yes. We also say stores. Shop or store. Both are good.
Okay, shops and stores. I like that.
What kind of shops are at the mall?
My favorite food.
Yes, there is food at the mall. Where do you eat?
It is a big area. Many tables, many small restaurants.
Yes, we call that the food court.
The food court. Yes, I like the food court.
What do you eat at the food court?
Oh, many choices. You can get pizza.
Pizza. I love pizza.
I know you do. Or you can get hamburgers or Chinese food.
Yes, so much food. The food court is a great place to eat.
Okay, so we have food. What else?
We have clothes.
Ah, yes, clothes shops. Many clothes shops.
Yes, you can buy new clothes.
And what about shoes?
Yes, a shoe store.
And a bookstore for books?
Yes, I love the bookstore. It is very quiet.
Me too. So, clothes, shoes, books, food,
And sometimes a movie theater.
a movie theater. We can say cinema too, right?
Yes, exactly. Movie theater or cinema. You can watch a movie.
Wow. The mall has everything.
It is a small city.
Yes. Okay, so let's go shopping in our English chat.
Good idea. Let's go to a clothes shop.
Okay, we walk into the clothes shop. What do we see?
We see clothes for men and clothes for women.
And clothes for children, too.
Yes,
We see shirts
Shirts, yes.
and t-shirts.
T-shirts are very comfortable. I like t-shirts.
Me too. What else? We see pants.
Pants, yes. And blue pants are often called jeans. I like to wear jeans.
Yes, jeans are very popular. And we see dresses.
Ah, yes. Like your beautiful blue dress for the wedding.
Yes, I bought that at the mall.
See? The mall is very useful.
It is. And jackets for when it is cold.
Yes, a warm jacket. And on our feet?
Shoes.
But we are in a clothes shop.
True. Sometimes a clothes shop sells shoes too.
Ah, okay. But there is a big shoe store, too.
Yes, let's go to the shoe store.
Okay, we are in the shoe store. Wow, Emily, so many shoes.
I know. Look, black shoes, white shoes, brown shoes.
Red shoes.
Yes, and sneakers.
Sneakers? What are sneakers?
Sneakers are sport shoes, comfortable shoes for walking or running.
Ah, I like sneakers. Very good for walking at the mall.
Yes. Okay, let's go back to the clothes shop.
Okay. We are walking a lot.
We are. Okay, I am in the clothes shop. I see a nice red shirt.
Ooh, red is a very nice color.
I like it, but I need to know the size.
Ah, yes, the size. Is it big? Is it small?
Yes, we have sizes. We have small.
Small, the letter S.
Yes, and we have medium
Medium, the letter M.
and large.
Large, the letter L.
Yes, small, medium, large. S, M, L.
What size are you, Emily?
I am medium. And you?
I am medium too.
We are medium friends.
Yes. Okay, so you find the red shirt, size M.
Yes. Is it good? I don't know.
What can you do?
I can put it on?
Yes, you can try it on.
Try it on. That is a very good phrase.
Yes, try on the shirt. Where?
In a small room?
Yes, the fitting room.
Good job, Paul. A fitting room, or sometimes a changing room.
Fitting room or changing room. Okay.
So, I take my red shirt. I go to the fitting room.
You try it on. You look in the mirror.
Yes, the mirror. I look. It looks great. I love it.
Wonderful. So you want to buy it.
Yes, I want to buy this red shirt. What do I do?
You take the shirt. You go to the front of the shop.
Yes, and I wait in a line.
Yes, a line of people.
Then I talk to the person at the cashier. Very good.
The cashier is the person who takes the money.
Exactly. So I give the red shirt to the cashier.
And the cashier says,
Beep. That is $20.
$20. Okay, dollars is the money.
Yes, the price is $20.
The price. Good word. How do you pay?
I can pay with cash.
Cash. Yes, paper money and coins.
Yes. Or I can pay with a card.
A credit card.
Yes, a credit card or a debit card.
Okay, so you give the cashier your card.
Here you are.
The cashier smiles. Thank you.
The cashier puts my red shirt in a bag.
A shopping bag.
Yes, and the cashier gives me a small paper.
Ah, the receipt?
Yes, the receipt. You are very smart, Paul.
Thank you. The receipt.
The receipt is very important.
Why?
Maybe I go home, I try on the red shirt again.
And, oh no, it is too small.
Yes, or maybe there is a problem.
What can you do?
I can take the shirt and the receipt back to the shop.
Ah, you can return the shirt.
Yes, I can return it. The receipt is my proof.
That is a very good tip, Emily. Always keep the receipt.
Yes, always.
Phew, shopping is hard work.
It is. I am hungry now.
Me too. Let's go to the food court.
Yes, good idea.
Okay, we are at the food court. Wow, so many people. So many tables.
I know. What do you want to eat, Paul?
I think pizza.
Yes, let's get pizza.
Okay, we go to the pizza shop.
We look at the menu.
Ah, the menu. The list of food.
I see cheese pizza
Of course.
and pepperoni pizza.
I like pepperoni.
Okay, the person says, "Hello, what would you like?"
That is a very polite question. What would you like?
Yes. And I say, "1 slice of cheese pizza, please."
And I say, 1 slice of pepperoni pizza, please.
And we need a drink.
Oh, yes, a drink. And 2 waters, please.
Perfect. We are very polite.
We pay the cashier,
We get our pizza and our water.
and we find a table.
Yes. We sit down and eat.
This pizza is good.
Yes, our English pizza is very good.
It is.
Okay, we finished our pizza.
That was great. What now?
We can go to the bookstore.
Oh, I like the bookstore. It's quiet.
Yes, we can look at books. Books in English.
Good practice.
Yes. Or we can watch a movie.
To the cinema.
Yes, we go to the cinema. We buy,
Tickets.
yes, we buy tickets for a movie.
A comedy. A funny movie.
Good idea.
But, Emily, I am at the mall. I am walking and walking,
Yes.
and I am lost.
Oh no. Lost?
Yes, I need to find the bathroom.
Ah, the bathroom or restroom.
Yes, where is the bathroom? I don't know.
What can you do?
I can find a person.
Yes, you find a person, maybe a worker.
And I say,
You must be very polite.
yes. I say, excuse me.
Very good start. Excuse me.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Perfect. That is the magic question. Where is?
Ah, I can use this for everything.
Yes.
Excuse me, where is the food court?
Excuse me, where is the shoe store?
Excuse me, where is the cinema?
Yes. Where is so useful.
and the person is nice, they say, "Oh, the bathroom is go straight and turn left."
Yes, they help you.
That is great. So I am not lost anymore.
No, you are found.
Wow, Emily, the mall is a very good place to practice English.
It is. You can read signs, clothes, food court, exit,
You can listen to people.
and you can talk.
Yes, talk to the cashier, ask for help, order food.
1 cheese pizza, please.
Yes, it is real English practice.
Wow, Paul, look at the time.
Oh, yes, time flies when we talk about the mall.
Yes, it does.
I had fun today, Emily.
Me too. I feel like I went shopping.
Me too. My feet are tired.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Yes, thank you everyone for listening. We hope you liked our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you learned some new English words.
And please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, and click the like button if you had fun today.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
We also have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us,
What is your favorite shop at the mall?
ooh, good question. Or what do you like to eat at the food court?
Yes. Do you like pizza like me?
Write your answers in English. We love reading your comments.
We do. It is our favorite part.
Great. Well, see you next time, Emily.
Bye, Paul. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.